All right, and let's look at our problem that we have this morning. Here we're talking about a plant and its growth and how much it grew each day. Would you please turn to your neighbor and tell them, is this a proportional relationship or not? No. And why?
It's not straight, so one of you.
All right, so would someone be willing to share their thinking with the class? Yes.
It doesn't go through the origin
Okay, so the line is not straight. I mean, there is a dot here at 0, 0, but the points don't line up to be a straight line. Okay? Aiden?
All the dots are evenly spaced.
They're not evenly spaced. And you know, it's interesting, in order to be proportional, they don't have to be exactly the same distance apart, but they do need to form a straight line, which that does not. Which just goes to show you that things don't always grow at a constant rate, do they? All right, this next problem deals with something we're not super familiar with here in Olympia, snow.
Yep.
Would you turn to your neighbor and share if you think that is a proportional relationship or not?
No, because it isn't a straight line, and it's not without, and it's not going to be origin.
Okay, thumbs up, yes, it's proportional. Thumbs down, no, it's not. See lots of knots. Can someone share why this is not proportional? Gary?
It's not proportional because the line is straight. The dots are like, they're not straight. They just go in different directions.
Okay. What's going on in this area right here? What does that represent? Mackenzie? Okay. Any other ideas? What's going on during this time where it seems to kind of flatten out?
No, like the 2 and 2, snow 2 inches, and then 3 hours, snow 2 inches, or 2.
Okay. John?
It might have not snowed, it might have just stayed up.
Okay. So the amount of snow increased and then it stayed the same. Chances are it stopped snowing for a little bit. I mean, if this was Olympia, it would go back down because that's when it starts raining, right? So you get a little bit to play. Okay, so again, not proportional because it doesn't have a straight line. It would go through the origin, but it's not a straight line. So today's lesson, you may be a little confused with our focus today in that yesterday I told you when I gave you your new books that we're going to be working with circles. And today we're focusing on squares, which I realize squares are not circles. But we're going to be addressing kind of the components of squares and if they are proportional or not. And then later we will connect that to circles at another date. So if you need graph paper or a ruler and you're in the back row, would you please go get those supplies? And if you're in the third row and you need graph paper and or a ruler, go ahead and get those supplies. All right, second row. If you need supplies, go ahead and go get them. And front row, if you need supplies, go ahead and go get them. So everybody should have a paper with a whole bunch of squares on it on their desk. Did anyone not get one? Okay, please do not write on these so I can use them again for the next group. gentlemen, on your graph paper at the top, I would like you to copy down this sketch table. Please give yourself plenty of room to write in all of the columns. Don't make any of them too small. Also, if you put centimeters up next to the titles, then you don't have to write centimeters for each one. Oops, I should do that. Okay, if you want to use the perimeter, just know that it's going to be a little bit bigger number. Can you just give me a thumbs up when you're done with your table?